Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. Thursday, as it used to be, or it was actually named after. Last night, the Culinary Expedition continued for the third time this week. We were in Iran, aka Persia. I had not eaten this much of this single ingredient in one sitting in a very long time. I prepared Persian celery stew. Like I mentioned yesterday, it's kind of a misnomer. Yes, there is a lot of celery, but there's also lamb. So it's a celery and lamb stew. Like the borscht, I didn't know what to expect with this stew. I've had celery, I've had lamb, but there's some other fun ingredients. This is a very simple dish. Fresh mint and lots of parsley. And I'm not talking just like a tablespoon of mint. I'm talking a half cup was used last night. A lot of mint. There's a note which I'm passing on. Don't use too much mint because it'll make the dish bitter. The aroma coming off the stovetop was amazing. Because there's no garlic, there's just a little bit of onion. Like I said, it's a simple dish. This is good. I get asked by many people, would you make this again? And the answer is yes. The flavor is deep. It's very layered. It's very complex for such a simple stew, which makes sense. This is something, the shepherds or, the other, the more, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna quit rambling. This is a must try. It is really good. Do it with the lamb. You can do it with beef, but I think the lamb adds something to it. So go for it. All right. We're not going too far from Iran. The Culinary Expedition continues a second day in a row. So yesterday was actually the second day of the week. Oops. I lose track. We're going to Oman. I knew nothing about Oman, and I know very little about Oman now. So I'm doing, let me get this right, Omani Mishkak, which basically is a beef kebab. But the marinade, when you see what's in this marinade, I actually had, not trouble, but I actually had to go hunting for one of the ingredients last night because I mispurchased an ingredient last Friday for this meal. And I'll explain a little bit in a few seconds. And then I was going to do this rice yesterday with the Persian celery stew, but I was just not feeling it. So I'm going to do it today. It's technically a Persian dish, but you got to remember the region. Chelow, which is a Persian-style white rice with tahdig, or tahdig. Tahdig means browning, I think, because it has a crust. So let's get to it. We're going to start with the hardware, real simple. I just flipped over my griddle over to my grill top. We got that, and we have my medium saucepan for the rice dish. And we move into the kebab. Beef, I'm just using stew beef because of financial. Garlic, ginger, lots of ginger, papaya. I had a hard time. I have never worked with papaya, ever. I don't know if I've ever eaten it. So, excuse me. We got papaya. I'm using Thai chili peppers. They call for I see this in several recipes, a red chili. I'm going with Thai because I can't find red chilies here in Sutter County. A little bit of vinegar, doesn't care if the recipe says whatever. I'm going to use pumice oil, which is more for the grill. Kosher salt, black pepper, tamarind paste, turmeric, and cumin. So here's the goodies for the kebabs. Basically, other than the beef, everything is marinade, except for the oil. So I'm going to be building that first thing this morning. And for the rice, it's actually really simple. Basmati, water, butter, those are the basics. Then the suggesting is saffron, which makes sense, considering what part of the world it's from. And I did a little bit of lookup and research. Basically, it says add some local herbs. So thyme and cilantro are going to be added to the rice. So there it is. That's simple, simple, simple. The rice it's not just your typical rice, dump it in a pot and leave it. No, there's a little more work to it. But I'm up to the challenge. All right, so on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.